Hey everyone, welcome back to Screen Innovations. Today we are going to go over how to swap a motor on a Nano. This video will be going over how to properly disassemble a Nano, either a 275 or a 375. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we will need to go over how to open the shade
that came with the Nano box and untighten the end caps. This will allow you to easily remove the fascia. Make sure to do this on both the left and right end caps. Place the shade on its back and then pop off the fascia. Make sure that the shade is completely rolled up and then grab those needle nose pliers. You'll use them to remove the locking pin on the idler side of the shade. Since this is our lithium-ion Nano box, we also need to remove the set screws around the magnetic charger. Use that same Allen wrench to poke the charger through to ensure it's completely loose. Next, pull the shade towards the idler side, which will release the shade from the cassette.
Now we will need to remove the old motor from the shade.
From this point, we'll take the motor straight out. Make sure to hold the fabric with one of your hands as you do this to prevent anything from rolling away. Before putting the old motor away, make sure to remove this motor head plate, which we will then reattach to the new motor.
Finally, we will need to install the new motor.
Put the old motor away and grab the new one. Reinstall the motor head plate to the new motor. When looking at the tube, you'll notice some grooves. These will line up with the rubber part of the tube. Additionally, there will be a collar around the motor head itself, which you'll also need to line up. Then, push the motor back in. Before putting the motor back into the cassette, make sure that the button on this motor is facing down. With the tube reassembled, put it back into the cassette, beginning with the idler side, and then the motor side. Reinstall the magnetic charging port and tighten the set screws. Then reinstall the locking pin using those needle nose pliers. Take a look at these hex heads and make sure they're near the tips of the alt thread. This way the fascia will reinstall easily like this. Finally, tighten the end caps on both sides and you're finished. When you reinstall the shade, don't forget to track it a few times to make sure everything works great.
For more information, check out our new AI Help Center. It has articles and videos over everything. Thank you for watching.